Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set up stop loss in eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website right here, eToro.com, if you have not already. If you're using your mobile device, just go ahead and open up the application and you are going to go ahead and be greeted by this Join eToro button. That's going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in using the login button right here. That's going to enable you. So once you're logged in, you are going to go ahead and be greeted by your profile icon in the upper right corner, from where you can get started accessing your dashboard, portfolio, wallet, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to set up stop loss. Basically, once you're trading using eToro in the trading platform, we can go and follow the steps right here in the article on how to go ahead and set up stop loss. Basically, to set a stop loss while you are opening a trade, you're going to click on stop loss and choose between amount or a rate. Then you're going to type the amount or rate and use the plus and minus buttons, and once you've selected all your parameters, you're going to click on open trade. So there you have it guys. To get started with trading, you have the trading option right here to trade markets on eToro. This is going to enable you to open up the trading platform, from where you can get started opening up your trades, from where you can select stop loss and then select the amount that you want to set for. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.